Today's topic will be how these Aerocon wall panels and puff panels, steel structure can be used for the classroom infrastructure for any kind of new or existing old systems. So I am present at Emingnor, which is in the Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. We have initiated this work 10 days back. Steel structure work was done in 2 days of time. 20 by 22 classrooms. We have 20 by 22 classrooms was proposed by the school management. This as a model we are doing it here so that all these classrooms will be later on to be renovated as how it is going to look like this. You can see this is the old 15 years old building structure with asbestos sheets and round pipes installation and all walls with the brick walls. Very old type is there. So the school academic wise and all is very good, but they also wanted to improve their infrastructure with the latest these things. So and that is also the statutory requirement by the many of the government state governments. So they have to upgrade it. The most and best option for them available was to go for this kind of ready-made wall panels, solid wall panels, cement solid wall panels made by the Birla Aerocon. Client, who is the chairman of the school, they have informed by somebody from their technical background friends to use these wall panels. After seeing our Instagram and YouTube videos, they came to know, and we have explained the technicalities, the feasibilities, the budget and all that. After everything, they have approved to have two kind of model rooms so that this can be done for all the classrooms. So foundation work took here. We have used some basic foundation. We have suggested for to go for the plinth beam foundation. It took almost 1 week of time. Then later on, our scope of work started. We have done steel fabrication in 2 days, puff panel in 1 day, Waricon wall panels in 2 days, electrical work in 1 day, tile work is going to take 2 days, putty work only took almost 57 days of time because of the joint filling and other factors, because also of rain also. You can see this is a low lying area. That is why we have advised the school to have some this kind of plinth beam at least for 2 feet to 3 feet. And see this, the all the school condition is like this because of the rain and this low lying, no proper leveling of the land is there. So that is why this is the situation. Now we'll show you this. This is the final look of the outside classrooms. Inside tile work is going on. So outside you can see we have applied it's a local company texture which is available at the locally. We have used this local texture on the sides, such as we have provided with the our Aerocon wall panel. You can see the thickness. It's a 75 Aerocon wall panels and UPVC 2.5 track 88 series Kinbon profile and UPVC grill with the MS bars. We have used it and this small some civil work is pending. We do some kind of, we advise to do some kind of cohing type of this thing at these joints so that the water should not enter at the outside. And so these are the two classrooms, 20 by 20 size, center height of 12 feet with side height of 10 feet. And you can see here how it is looking. So there is no such difference between the traditional buildings and this Aerocon ready-made wall panels building. The final looks and this thing will be similar only. Parameter wise, I'll come to explain you how it is comparable with the traditional construction. And look wise, it is as at par, or we can say good with the traditional construction. Then installation wise, they are very fast. Building material wise, they are superior compared to the blocks and bricks. And budget wise, since it is done on a 800 to 1000 square feet, the budget will be at par or same with the traditional construction. But if they are going with this all these classrooms to be renovated with this type of things, then there will be a pricing, less pricing of at least 20% when compared to the traditional constructions. And the roofing they have used with the puff panel, 50 alpha web company roofing we have used it. And inside surface electrical wiring we have used, because concealed we cannot go as there is no ceiling inside. That is why we have given the option of surface electrical wirings. We have used the phenolics wires, maru switches, and rectangular casings we have used it. Final outside texture work is going on, electrical work is done. Pending work is the doors fittings, which will be done after the tiles installation, after the tile installation. And then door fitting will be there. So rest of all the things is completed. These caps you can see here, the gray color, these are the puff panel caps. They were not available when we have done this work, so we have got the stock now, and it will be completed in a day. So maximum 2 to 3 days or 4 days we are able to hand over this site if everything goes well, if there is no rain problem or electricity problem, any machinery problem. And this is the wall panels. Before applying the texture, we have used the joint filling with the putty only we have done. And also we will apply one coat of texture and one coat of color, whatever they wanted, we will use that paint. And grill, it was fixed from the outside only as per the client's requirement. And this tile laying work is going on. 2 by 2 tile, 8 tile, ceramic tile, unbranded tile only. The tile price is around 45 to 46 rupees. This will be there. And you can see the electrical work is completed. And 2 coats of putty work is done, paper is done. Once the final video is done, we'll be able to show you the final look of the classrooms, how it looks and all that. Thank you so much for joining.